I'll just show you how to put the back seats up in a Landrover Discovery. It's the third row, the back two seats, to convert it into a 7-seater. Little catch here, releases the seat, push from the bottom of the back seat in a turning motion, headrest up, again that lever just releases it, but it's easier if you push on the bottom of the seat towards the front of the car, and then like so. Little catch here which you probably can't see from up there, but you pull the little catch, releases the front of the seat over and make sure it's securely located. Round to the other side, little catch, lift the front of the seat up. It's easy done with these seats pressed forward. I'll just show you how to put them down again. Reverse order, little loop, locate that, headrest down, press the button, lean forward, again little loop, pull the seat forward, make sure it's located in the catch. It is easier from the back here, headrest down, and then that's it. Nice and easy.